Hello there, Excel lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into some amazing feature of Chatgpt extension for Excel. I will be showing you how AI Ask, AI Translate, AI Tables and Extract can revolution your work. Let's get started. So, first we will understand how to add the chat GPT in Excel. So, what we need to do, we need to go to developer tab and here you will get the add-in. Insert the add-in, go to the store and here you will type chat GPT. What this will do, this will provide you chat GPT extension. So what this chat GPT extension will do, here let's understand. Let's type for chat GPT for Excel and search this. Now you will get the option here. So first option is chat GPT for Excel. Let's add this and click the privacy policy and license terms. Continue with this and now in home tab or here in home tab you will find this ChatGPT extension added. Here to use the AI.ask you can ask AI anything about the Excel. How to do that? Let's understand. Here we will type equals to AI.ask and hit the tab. Here you have to provide the prompt for AI to give you the exact answer. Here my first question is shortcut for fill the color into cells. How to get the answer from the AI? Let's select this prompt and hit enter. Now, boom, you got the answer. To fill a cell with the color in accent, you can use the shortcut Alt plus H plus H plus H. This will open the fill color menu when you can choose a color to fill the select cell. So you got the answer. My next question is how to convert data into the table. I need to ask AI how to convert my data. Let's say if you have any Excel data which you wanted to convert into table, how to do that? It will tell you all the process. Let's say you don't know how to convert the table. So we will ask AI. It will help you to get the answer properly. Let's select this prompt. You need to properly provide the prompt to the ChatGPT and hit enter. Boom, you got the answer over here. Let's understand what is the answer. You got the proper answer. To convert data into the tables, you can use software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet. Here is a general guide. Open Excel and enter your data into cell. Make sure each row represents all the instruction it has given in this answer. It's a good to get answer quickly with the ChatGPT. You don't need to worry about Excel anymore. Now, the next feature of AI is how to fill the data in AI with the AI fill. Here we have some data and first is our city and then country and their temperature as of now. So we wanted to fill entire data in below cells as well. How to do that with the AI feature? With that, we need to use equals to AI.fill option. Hit tab. Here we have to give the example. So this is our example which is given above, comma. Now I have to give the partial. So select the partial detail which you wanted to fill and hit enter. Boom, you will get the data over here in a seconds. You don't need to search for the degrees, temperature or the countries. It will provide you the fill option. AI fill option will provide you entire data, whatever you wanted to fill. You just need to give them an example to give you answer in your details. Next, we will learn about how to use ChatGPT for extract anything from the AI. Extract any names from this particular sentences. Sarah went to the market and to buy fresh vegetables. And how to fill the names in particular column. Here I wanted to fill the particular names of from these sentences. Kevin enjoys hiking in the mountains every weekend, so I need Kevin over here. How to extract anything from any particular data through AI. So we will use AI.extract tab. This now we have to provide them two things only. First is value. So this is entire, all the 10 sentences are value, comma, what is the extract, what we need to extract. We wanted to extract the names, so we wanted to extract the name, hit enter, you will get the names over here from this. Boom. Sarah, John, Emily, Michael, Jessica, David, all the names are mentioned over here. And next feature is AI Translate. How to use AI Translate? Let's say you are working in India and you need to send the data to Germany. So how to convert your Excel English data through AI conversion? So AI Translate into different languages. How to get that data into the French language or maybe the Hindi language or any language. Let's write Hindi over here. So we will ask AI to give you the French language as well as the Hindi language of these sentences. Equals AI.translate. We will use AI.translate. Hit tab. Now it's asking you values and language. In which language you wanted to convert and what is the value. So in this case, our values are these all 10 sentences and comma, what is the language you wanted to convert? I wanted to convert this into French language. So I'm choosing the French. Bracket close and hit enter. Now you will get the answer in all the French language. Also, we can convert this into the Hindi language as well. So AI.translate and this is our value, comma, which language? Hindi language. Bracket close and hit enter. Now this will provide us in the Hindi language. Let's say it's showing busy right now. Let's say how soon it will provide us. It take a bit time. So we got in Hindi language as well. Boom. It's good to understand the good feature of Chatgpt and it's very easy to use the Chatgpt as well. Now the next feature of AI is AI.table. How to use Chatgpt for your extended data or maybe you have lots of data. Here we will populate the 10 countries which is more populated. So here we will use AI.table. I need data into table. So I need to create the table for the 10 most populated countries. So here we are going to use AI.table. And I'm going to give this prompt to the AI and bracket close and hit enter. Now, boom, I got the answer for the 10 most population of the country. China is the highest one. Second one is India. Third is United States and so on. So this way you can use your AI features in Excel with the help of Chatgpt extension. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, give a thumbs up. And also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks of Excel. And we always launch 2 new Excel videos every week. So this Chatgpt extension for Excel is a powerful that can significantly boost your productivity and simplify your workflow. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video very helpful, make sure to share, like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. And if you have any question, drop them in the comment box. Happy Excelling!